Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fund your Binance account. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you will find several options to deposit funds. It's important to choose a method that is supported in your country and convenient for you. We will explore the most popular ways to add money to your account, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process. Remember to always double-check the fees associated with each method. One of the most straightforward ways to fund your Binance account is through a bank transfer or by using a debit or credit card. For bank transfers, you'll typically find options like SEPA or SWIFT, depending on your location. Card payments are usually processed instantly, allowing you to buy crypto almost immediately. Always check the deposit limits and any associated fees before confirming your transaction. Binance supports over 50 fiat currencies for direct deposits. Another flexible option is Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform. This allows you to buy cryptocurrency directly from other users using your preferred local currency and payment method. Binance acts as an escrow service, holding the crypto until both parties confirm the transaction, ensuring security. You can find hundreds of offers with different prices and payment options, giving you great flexibility in funding your account. Before you finalize your funding method, remember a few key points. Completing your Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification is crucial for higher deposit and withdrawal limits. Always review the transaction fees and processing times for your chosen method. Finally, enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account for enhanced security. Funding your account safely and efficiently is the first step to your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.